Pa-share naman ng music mo dyan, no? Yoko nga. Damot mo naman. Bakit? Anong meron sa music mo? Ayaw mo i-share sa akin. Marami ka lang tutuli. Tsaka since nung pandemic, hindi talaga ako nag-share ng aking headset. May sarili ka ba dalang headset tulad dito? Oo, may dala naman ako. Bakit? Anong gagawin mo dito? Amin na. Ba't? Ilang mabutas sa audio jack mo? Di ba isa lang? Diyan ka nagkakamali. Look, kakabit ko dito. O ito, gamitin mo sarili mong headset. Uy, galing naman. Ano phone yan? Tawag dito, Nubia Music. Now, since nung pandemic, hindi ako mahilig mag-share ng tutuli ng ibang tao. Siyempre, naka-contagious yan, di ba? So, that's why I bought the Nubia Music dito. So, meron siyang dalawang color, Zeal Orange, saka Pop Art. Itong 4 plus 4 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of storage, and Nubia Music is currently priced at $3,999. But, pag bumili ka na maaga, with the link that I'll be providing ng Shopee dito sa description box ko, you will get it at $3,399. Limited stocks, so check it out. Now, pagdating naman sa design to phone na ito, it really looks very music-centric. Remember yung mga Nokia Music dati, Nokia Express Music, looks something similar. Ang laki ng kanilang speaker dito, which can hit up to plus 600% ng kanilang volume, which itatry natin later kung gaano kalakas nga madalagang kanilang music dito sa kanilang loudspeaker. But pagdating naman dito sa kanilang aesthetics, it's a very normal phone. Don't expect too much kanya dahil more or less binuhos niya lahat sa kanyang music capability. It has a plastic back, a plastic frame, plus hindi ko lang alam kung anong glass protection na meron nito. So mapapansin mo walang loudspeaker dito sa ilalim dahil nilagay na dito ang kanilang loudspeaker. And mapapansin mo may dalawang butas dito na audio jack, which is good for music sharing na ipapakita ko rin sa inyo later. What I like dito sa kanya is red pa rin ang kanyang power button, which looks nice for me personally. Now, this phone is not really that heavy, weighing at around mga 170 grams. And yeah, tamang-tama lang naman to sa aking kamay. Now, this phone is being powered by Unisoc SC9863A na processor, which is probably a more of a budget-friendly na processor at 28 nanometers. Hindi ganun kataas ang kanyang Antutu benchmark score at 147,000 points. And ito ang kanyang breakdown score. Mababa rin ang kanyang score dito sa Wildlife Extreme, so don't expect anything sa gaming. No CPU thermal throttling detected. Goods. Ito ang score naman niya sa Geekbench, sa CPU benchmarking. Now, this phone has a 5,000 mAh of battery and, well, charging isn't the best thing dito dahil this one only comes with a 10 watts charger. Pretty slow if you charge this phone. Roughly mga 2-3 oras ka bago matatapos ang charging. But one thing na magusto mo dito sa kanya is that you can play music all night long. Walang problema. I tried it on Spotify and talagang matagal ang battery nito if it's for music playback. Now, nung sinalang ko naman sa battery stress test ng PC Mark, okay din naman. Near 11 hours naman ang binigay sa akin nito phone na ito, which is pretty not bad. Now, despite this one being an IPS LCD at 6.6 inch, meron siyang 90 Hz of screen refresh rate. Pero ang best na pwede mo panood dito is just 720p. And medyo hindi ganong kalakasan, hindi ganong ka-bright ang kanyang screen when you're directly under the sunlight. So medyo mahirapan ka. So talagang kailangan mo maghanap ng silong. Now, the phone only has a level 3 Wi-Fi security level, so you cannot watch any form of HD dito sa kanya. But of course, if you're checking social media like Facebook, Twitter, and of course sa Instagram and TikTok, kayang-kaya naman niya mag-perform. Walang problema kasi meron mo siya high refresh rate. Scrolling on this one is okay, smooth, wala namang na-feel na lag at the very least, di ba? And watching videos naman dito sa YouTube is okay, but probably not the best experience. At least, it's still watchable para sa akin. Now, sabi ni Nubia, meron siyang high quality na ultra speaker dahil this one has 600% more volume, yung kanyang maximum, no? And at the same time, it's being tuned by DTS X Ultra. Plus, dual ang kanyang audio jack. First, check muna natin dito using my digital sound meter kung ilan nga makukuha ng decibels. Well, honestly, malakas naman siya. And it reached 105 decibel dito using my digital na sound meter. Plus, pansin mo yung kanyang DTS logo dito sa likod, umiilaw din while playing the music. Now, it's about time na i-try lang natin kung talagang gumagana nga ba to o gimmick lang talaga, no? Kapit ko yung aking first na headset and kapit natin yung aking second na headset. I'll put this one on my right and I'll put this one on my left. Talagang meron. Tumutugtog siya na maayos. Pinapakinggan ko itong salamin ni Beanie, no? And featuring Beanie Micah. Sagad natin. Lakas. Now, hindi mo na kailangan mag-share ng yung headset. You can let them bring their own and kapit lang niya dito sa Nubia music ninyo. Para hindi kayo maghawaan ng tutuli. Now, I did try to play a game dito, Call of Duty Mobile, and honestly, the gameplay was just okay. Mapifeel mo talaga ang kanyang lags and there's nothing really too much to say about yung kanyang game experience dahil medyo so-so lang siya and don't expect too much dahil ang kanyang processor is very limited lang ang kanyang pwede ibigay sa'yo. Now, pagdating naman sa kanyang camera, this one has a 50MP na main camera sensor. The other one, I think, is just a auxiliary lens. And this one can shoot up to 1080p and 30. Now, pagdating naman sa front-facing camera, this one has a 5MP na main camera sensor. Ang kanyang front-facing camera can only shoot you up to 720 and 30. Now, if you're checking naman mga photos dito sa rear camera, I would say na it's just very average lang. You can't shoot really some nice photos from this phone. Just some average photos na pwede mo makuha just to be able to share sa mga friends mo. Probably, I would say it's not even Instagrammable at the very least. And so, makita mo some of these shots, medyo hirap siya pagdating sa low light performance. When it comes to front-facing camera, I would say na, well, average din lang siya. Just a very simple na 5MP camera which can let you take some simple photos when you need it. And honestly, medyo hindi ganun kagandang kanyang quality pagdating sa video. Mga videos na capture dito, both sa front and back, is shaky and the resolution is not really that nice. So guys, ano masasabi ko? 3,399 Nubia Music. Probably one of the better phones out there na pwede mong gamitin for music. It reminds me a lot of yung mga Nokia na Express Music back during the days. And of course, yung mga iPod, yung music player ng Apple. It really reminds me a lot about them. And of course, since meron siyang expandable dito, so pwede mo lagyan pa up to 1TB of expansion para for more music and more videos. Pwede. Unlike dati, mga iPod, hindi siya expandable. Ito, expandable. Plus, mura. Now, I would say na if you're a music lover and people do love to share music with you, this is a good choice. Nubia Music. Guys, check nyo yung link on my description box below kung saan ko siya nabili. And it's on sale at 3,399. So guys, dali, check nyo yung description box below. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And it's up to this channel. It's definitely awesome. I'll see you on the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.